Damaged hair is dry, dull, and dehydrated. MORPHOSIS Restructure is the perfect ritual to quickly restore tone and body to the hair. In just 30 minutes, it replenishes its collagen and proteins, leaving it instantly plumped up and stronger in its most heavily damaged areas with perfectly repaired shafts. Step 1. Restructure Revitalizing Shampoo. After washing the hair thoroughly, apply 10-15 milliliters of shampoo, depending on the length and the thickness of the hair. Rub in with a gentle, relaxing massage until it turns into a soft foam. The Restructure Revitalizing Shampoo deeply cleanses and delivers fermented rice extract, vegetable collagen and plant peptides, which hydrate the hair and prepares it for the following step of the treatment. Keep massaging the lengths for a few minutes, thoroughly rinse, then towel dry the hair to remove excess water. Step 2. Restructure Express Filler. In the mixing bowl, pour 15-20 milliliters of Restructure Express Filler Repair Gel and using the brush applicator, apply the product onto the lengths while separating the hair into strands. Restructure Express Filler contains plant peptides and is enriched with fermented rice extract, hyaluronic acid, and vegetable collagen in a formula that repairs and plumps up the hair while transforming its structure. Comb through and leave for 15-20 minutes under a source of heat. When time's up, rinse thoroughly and towel dry the hair. Step 3. Restructure precious fluid. For the last step of the ritual, apply 15-20 milliliters of Restructure precious fluid onto the lengths and carefully massage it in without rubbing the hair. This intensive taming treatment is enriched with fermented rice extract, hyaluronic acid, vegetable collagen, and a 100% plant-derived long-lasting film-forming resin. The results show that the hair is 64% stronger, 8% bouncier, 37% more manageable. For a total hair reconstruction, it is recommended that the MORPHOSIS Restructure ritual be performed in the salon twice a month for 4 months. And then the hair should be treated at home with the MORPHOSIS Restructure shampoo, conditioner, and leave-in routine. Leave for 5 minutes, then rinse. In the salon or at home, MORPHOSIS Restructure is the inimitable treatment that plumps up and thickens the hair cuticles for visibly healthier hair.